Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has downplayed suggestions that upcoming victories over Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs could effectively seal the Betway Premiership title race. The Buccaneers currently sit at the summit of the standings with 38 points from 16 matches, holding a slight advantage over second-placed Sundowns, who trail on 32 points with the game in hand. With momentum building and crucial fixtures looming, anticipation among supporters has reached fever pitch. Pirates are set to lock horns with Sundowns in a high-stakes encounter at the FNB Stadium on Wednesday, 18 February. Just days later, they return to the same venue for the Soweto Derby against arch-rivals Chiefs, a fixture that rarely lacks drama or consequence. Given the magnitude of two clashes, some observers have suggested that maximum points for Pirates will all but secure the championship, but Wado is refusing to be drawn into premature celebrations. Instead, I'll answer you with a French saying, "You must not sell the bear's skin before the bear is killed." The proverb, rooted in caution, reflects the coach's measured approach as the title race intensifies. Despite his side's strong position, Wado insists the focus remains firmly on the immediate task rather than distant glory. And that we take it game by game, we know exactly what we want and the target we aim to reach, but there is no need to think about what could happen in 3 or 4 months. Instead, the Moroccan tactician has called for patience and discipline from his squad as they navigate a decisive stretch of the campaign. Instead, we move step by step. It's important to build gradually and earn everything little by little. With two season-defining fixtures on the horizon, Pirates' resolve will be tested. Whether they can translate opportunity into silverware remains to be seen. But under Wadu's steady leadership, there's no room for complacency in Mayfair. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.